Well, 27,000 miles and one owner. That's what you'll find with this 2011 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 3ZR hardtop cammed 675 plus horsepower. What a powerful car this is, and a beautiful car as well. Arctic white on the exterior, ebony and dark titanium on the interior, and under the hood, 675 plus horsepower LS9 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. Factory features include the $10,000 3ZR Preferred Equipment Group. This includes the leather-wrapped door panels and dash, bias pattern console finish, dual power heated sports seats with airbags. It has the memory package, tilt and tell, a universal garage door transmitter, and it also has the Bluetooth package. Has a wonderful Bose CD-XM MP3 stereo with navigation, has steering wheel controls, has beautiful chrome wheels, and it has that F55 magnetic selective ride control. Comes with OnStar heads-up display, dual zone electronic climate control, electric rear hatch pull-down, keyless entry and start, HID headlights, fog lamps as well, power windows, power, well, you know, everything on this car is power. Has ABS, traction control, and active handling. It's loaded with options, and it shows just 27,562 miles. And we said this is a one-owner 2011 Corvette ZR1. It's in good condition. The car's paint is very good condition. It has a nice shine. The factory chrome wheels are excellent. This is just a beautiful car. Now, if you want to know the price on this car and see some other fabulous detailed photos, be sure to click the link right down below in this video, and you'll get all that information. And then give one of our sales representatives a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. They can tell you about this car, or maybe help you find something that interests you in another direction with Corvettes. We have a huge selection of Corvettes here at our location in Atlanta. We ship nationwide, we ship worldwide, and we can do that much less expensive than you might imagine. So be sure to call us today at 770-414-5552. Hit the notification button and the subscribe button here on our YouTube channel, and you'll learn every new car that comes to our showroom floor. We hope to hear from you really soon. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.